What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add a token on Phantom Wallet. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We're going to open the Phantom Wallet right away, and right here you can see just Solana and Bitcoin. In order to add a token on the Phantom Wallet, you can see at the bottom Manage Token List. We're going to tap on it, and then right here you can see Ethereum and Polygon. Now the reason we're not seeing it there is because it's grayed out. All we need to do is to toggle it on for Ethereum and toggle it on for Polygon. And then when we go back, we're going to find Polygon and Ethereum right there. In some cases, you might have tried to add your token by clicking on Manage Token List and searching for, say, USDT by Solana. Well, you will not find it here, but in order to do this, you need to go over to Swap. We're going to scroll down and we can find the swap button there. It is important, however, to have some Solana, which you can swap to another token in order for this token to appear here. So when you have Solana, you're going to simply go over to swap, and then you can put in the amount of Solana you have here, and then under receive, you're going to tap on it. And right here, you can see an almost endless list of tokens. So this is under the Solana network. You can go over to the Ethereum network or the Polygon. So if we're in Solana, you can simply keep scrolling to whatever token you would like to add. If we would like to buy DNA with the Solana network, we can tap on DNA, and then after putting the amount, we're going to have the button to proceed. Take note that when you successfully transfer some of your Solana into an interested token, you will have the token on the list right here. If you don't find it after the purchase, all you need to do is to go over to Manage Token List and you will find your token right there. So these are the two options available to add in a token on Phantom Wallet. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.